The science of snowflakes at 20 degrees Fahrenheit, up close in slow motion. It's 20 degrees outside, cold enough that your breath lingers in the air. But for snowflakes, this is the sweet spot. At exactly this range, nature builds its most elaborate designs. Every snowflake begins as something ordinary, a single speck of dust, pollen, or volcanic ash floating high in the clouds. Water vapor freezes onto it, one molecule at a time, always forming a hexagon because of the way water molecules bond. That hexagon is the blueprint. Everything that happens on the journey, temperature, humidity, even turbulence in the air, writes the rest of its pattern. At 20 degrees, a very specific type of snowflake dominates, stellar dendrites.